Welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. In today's video, I'm going to dive into 3 profitable Amazon KDP keywords that have to do with Easter. Now, this is an updated list of keywords. This is part 2. You can watch part 1, where I've also shared 3 profitable Amazon KDP keywords to do with Easter as well. And combined with this video, it's going to be 6 total keywords. Stay tuned for more parts as well. So if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, click on the subscribe button, click on the bell icon to be informed on all our new daily videos. And the first keyword for the day is Easter activity book for teenagers. Easter activity book for teenagers has a keyword niche score of 60, full green light, ready to go by self-publishing Titan's Chrome extension, as well as number 9 by Amazon Scout Pro Chrome extension. So there's a clarification from both of the top major Chrome extensions that we are using that indicate the keyword niche score is really good. Coming to the total results, they're sitting at 2,939, which is also a good sign because they are under 5,000. Now, the lower the better. Coming here with the average bestseller rank, it is within that 300,000 range, so that is also acceptable as well. And it is currently averaging 392,178. The average reviews are 112, and the average price is $8.56. So what we're creating here is an activity book. We have the theme, it's for Easter, and we have our audience who are teenagers. We can even further niche down by specifying who our teenage audience, whether they are girls, whether they are boys, whether they are within the specific age ranges of, let's say, between 14 to 16 or 16 to 18, for example. That would also be nice as well. Scrolling down, we have a couple of books that are having a really good bestseller rank. This one, for example, sits at 2,681, generating around 3,990 on an estimate per month in revenue, and selling approximately 1,230 copies. We have our second book with a really good bestseller rank, and it is generating around 2,221. Scrolling down as well, we have our third book that is getting a really good bestseller rank. We also have this one as well, which is a number 16. And this one is really, really good for a bestseller rank. So all this on the first page, these are all indicators that this is a really good keyword. Everything here fits the metrics. Good keyword niche score on both ends, and 3 or more really good books that are selling quite well, that are not sponsored, that have a good bestseller rank of 300,000 or less. Now let's have a look at our second keyword for the day. And our second keyword for the day is really specific. I love specific keywords. It is Easter activity book for kids ages 4 to 8 religious. Now, we have everything that we need to get started. We're creating an activity book. It's about Easter. We have the audience specified exactly to be between the ages of 4 to 8 who are children. And we have the sub theme. So the main theme is Easter. The sub theme is religious, because it could be Easter funny, Easter educational. This one's more of a religious, as in like teachings, and it's supposed to be quite minimalistic as well for children between the ages 4 to 8. So we have a really good keyword niche score of 63 by self-publishing Titan's Chrome extension. We also have a really good total results under 5,000, and the total results are currently sitting at 3,250. Average bestseller rank is under 300,000, and it is at a super low 36,138. The average reviews are 248. Average price is $7.60. Scrolling down, we have a couple of really good books with a good bestseller rank. This one here is absolutely amazing, with a bestseller rank of 898, generating on an approximate monthly basis $6,028, selling around 2,280 copies. This one here as well, 5,274 is the bestseller, 31,000 is the bestseller. Now, there is no ads running for these books that I've just talked about, and just by scrolling a third way of the through the first page, we have come up with 3 books with a really good bestseller that are selling also quite well as well under this keyword. So take advantage of this. Create books. Now, if you're not comfortable, creating religious books, for example, or you have any other reasons, then look at the keywords that I've shared with you before. Look at the keywords that I'm going to share with you as well in this series, and take what resonates with you and create books for these keywords. Take advantage of this wonderful event, this wonderful occasion, and start creating lovely books that will sell in the upcoming years as well. Now, please don't mention any year number. Don't mention 2024, 2025. Just keep it as it is. Stick to the theme and utilize these wonderful keywords as part of your title or your subtitle. Now let's dive into our third and final keyword for the day: 2024 Easter coloring books. Now this is a great keyword to use as part of your 7 keyword slots for anything Easter related. The 7 keyword slots will really help to get your book ranking, and if there is any keyword that has a year number, for example, do not use that in the title or your subtitle. Just use it in the 7 keyword slots, because after that year has ended, you're going to go in and you're going to update that 7 keyword slots to include keywords that are updated, that are relevant to that year. If you include it in the title or subtitle, that cannot be changed. It will just give your book a very outdated look and feel after 2024 has ended. So 2024 Easter coloring books, amazing keyword. Total results 147. Bestseller rank a little bit on the higher side. That's why I indicated as well. Apart from the year number mentioned, is another reason why you should include it in the 7 keyword slots, is because of the bestseller rank being higher than 400,000. Yet it is still acceptable, and I'd still advise you to take advantage of this lovely keyword as part of the 7 keyword slots. And it has a bestseller rank of 541,023. The average price is $8.18, and it has a acceptable keyword niche score by Amazon Scout Pro of number 6, categorizing this as a nice niche. Scrolling as well, we do have a couple of books that are ranking quite well. For example, this one, there is no ads running for that, and it has a bestseller rank of 117,000. This one's in the 300s, this one in the 500s, as you can tell as well. So these were the 3 keywords for the part 2 Easter profitable Amazon KDP keyword list. I'll see you in the next video. Take care and have a great day. Bye bye.